About way Kwame has taught me a lot of lessons, and Kwame, me superhuman. But make me say up to ne maintain my biblias.
Concerning the elections.
Yes.
Would you apologize? Obe apologize at your kind of man.
Kwame never. I rather catch them. I saw it. I heard it.
Shut up, Kwame. Shut up, bro. Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
I rather catch them.
The prophet would be Kasai or Bra MM.
Yes, it's stands in maybe a Bible.
Yes,
Kwame.
The NDC spiritually outsmarting more than one.
Viewers, let's go for commercial break. We'll be back. Viewers, welcome back. Now, the details.
When Kwame, I say, you say as an for Bible, you say, or so not tough for ma. Kwame, me obi a when you be any say, me nyese abana anko yinti. Kwame ni bi. Me said that boy papa chemi to me.
Continue.
This is nipa mbese obeka se bi ase. Yinti say makoka se Bawumia be wini. Now I'm Kwame, I did my best.
Who born dog?
About way Kwame has taught me a lot of lessons, and
this is just the beginning.
Me pese me ko deep. O can say me bra. Kwame me pese niema ye de e ba form. Then by February I will come back, Kwame.
Never again. Never again. Never again.
And na ma go deep. Oh, niema bebre.
But the ultimate was for Bawumia to win.
Yes, I know.
BBC Anna.
Yes,
the NDC spiritually outsmarting more than one.
Oh yeah.
Menche jabe pa ano pe kra na me ne kasa ofo.
Songo bona we.
Menche Kwame. Eniema bebre won ma. I don't want to reveal secrets.
Continue.
And I don't want to go deep because say part, you know, and the Ghana phone bebre wo ya omu. But a chireju aden make us so much smarty. But Kwame, spiritually, you know, everything that we were doing, I tap back and say, Majisika, Majiniema to ye. Kwame, I'm telling you, say there, or tier to Subekai, from Bawumia to the scrap. MPP ni bipa, or my challenge, me say, oh, Mam, when she decided to find out about one. Akwanchira. Hey! I hear me. Prophecy. Any directions in them. Jesus! Kwame. And I'm making the food you do the never be blue on my me cast say me per se and name him say VIP Asia uma a bomb pie man on any idea. Oh Kwame me play be to me free hire meko. T and never be blue on my Kwame a course wa nye bibia na metimi abeka. But a see
this is just the beginning.
See, Franco, final question, and rather you continue.
But from one question, would you apologize? Obe apologize at your kind of man.
Kwame never. I rather catch them. I saw it. I heard it.
Who control? Oh boy. BBS anyhow. Oh boy.
Okay.
Kwame, me hui. I rather catch them.
The prophet would be Kasai or Bra MM.
Yes, it stands in maybe a Bible.
God have mercy upon us.
And if you man,
I don't know if you see your mom, you know. Anna,
and come shall one guardian. And come shall one guardian.
Kwame,
I'm going to die. Nah, you for about 2
make us say and guide. Kwame, near my baby, Tina, I'm singing 2%. Baby, on my side.
Okay. But how do you feel? How do you feel people see you to be a fake prophet now? How do you feel?
Oh, this is not the first time I ever will be fake prophet. But yeah, pobia even MPP lose ya crofwashing in crown upon abasupa meet me akasemia. Yes. Edru baby a otinya me ase enye ye da nipa betinya me ase no sabi na onyinya
to be God.
I am totally against it, and I want to make sure you understand why.
Kwame, me superhuman. But met me I say up to ne maintain your bebre ase.
Concerning the elections.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But that yes any penny na nyame ase ntokwa amba because the white I saw radical no e be called the opposite side ya ke bia me no nti ha no tinyame te wo de ho ya ase.
I said, shut up!
Omumo fifth Monroe fifth league match is Nancy. Tinsembe Brahma canon abeka say we nkwan
the one national interest team with Masha Kwame come and a Kwana private issue was come. But the one national interest is the election. And the epitome and not here. Say a cockot, Nasa once more can you bit more follow the ultimate number dear. People have issues with you.
Anybody with me on this?
And I make count to say.
Yes, sir. NDC co primary school program so me man the percentage say 90 something points and I do for a free no 98 plus. Ma baby one ma me back find this one also be.
Bandu I said I'm focus on MPP so for MPP so for. And on TV. Yes, what don't come say na MPP.
MPP. Say me manager ni.
Nja me be say there be fa Kwame I'm dealing with you direct face to face. In person who me dealing and the Kwame de mayina film. Onya MPP so for.
Me MPP so for.
Oh, okay.
Me MPP so for. But I love Bawumia. Because say nyame ma mi hu na koma. Ni papa me Erade catch him say he is the God's or no nyame ni chosen one.
Sam come say we me your president match that to no match what to.
There's why God will rescind his decision if it is true by that way. Say Yankopon say Kwame mum no pa. It means say the Yankopon kan yan amen amen and Kwame me. So why will God rescind his decision?
E wo no nyame na.
Per checks yes say umpire kan na omuyi running meter no kre.
Now the kind one.
But I Kwame nyabotema me.
True enemy answer.
Thank you my brother. Running mate no buy. Did they help the MPP or not?
We a political question.
But Onono is not here to answer political issues. Because did he help the MPP or not? Canvassing for vote and all that. And one person said that's not what he's here for.
That's wrong. Very, very wrong.
You have over millions and thousands of people in Ghana. Why did you opt for me?
And because I know what you're capable of.
Thank you.
But on also the end, was spread.
Thank you.
This is what this man will
do.
Thank you.
But
Ghana ne Sudan bebo. Me no nyina na to. Na say ye boni Kumasi a. Nyame na aboa Ghana. Say ya bane. Ye ko boni neutral ground kra na. Ye boni Kumasi anka Kusi Appiah be say o man.
Neutral ground the way be a draw.
Ebe ye draw. Na omuyi ba kra. Be Erade aka chem se be ba kra be ye draw. Ama Sudan akwese. A prophecy tio. Erade it them say Tanko tio. Tanko be free angel tie. But menen to one am say but Kwame ma dwene pa. Impese u be free ho.
Oh okay.
But me hu ye na nyame de wako ba bi eso tio. It was prophecy. Erade it them say Erade be ma eni pass me si na be no running mate.
Oh okay.
But the obeba be ye ne de
okay, after the match.
So the Juma ne dear.
After the match was it?
Yes.
After the match was it?
What you say? Intimedia. Come na masse. Say Frank Nalo ebeba be ye running mate. And we be empower be.
So why you were Jumo? Why you were Jumo? You who you no kind?
Dey me who ye na me kind.
Should we watch out for 2026, 2027, 2028 internal primaries? Some elections had in come shebeba. Edu grande ni swa. Odi in come shebeba.
Me say me now I'm part of Kennedy. I'm part of Bawumia. Inti sebi. I know the omo co primaries a ebi a meye bibia mo obi kura meye na ndanga.
Come no dey overshare.
But general one I will come back stronger.
You come and what koboabo anwasen ba.
nti wo ka se meja nkom shana
Oh, okay.
Enye nkom ya na ma sebi wo de ahu me Franco. Enkom ina ma me manager sebi me manager. Enti e de na tere sebi enkom ma hye we na amamu a me hye bi bebebem.
Che. That is called
TV so omu di place no. Uza me ba ye me nkasa ntia obi a. Ti o sa na bre bi duru me de ne so ba mu a. Omu medome. Aha. Enti Franco me nya nkom se no. Me ka se me nim nipa obeye MPP Frank Bera 2028.
Hey.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes. Unim do obey.
Opa ma me ntre ma wo.
Tire ma me. Amamu me ma abetna ka say. But no change amamu I'll give it to you. You put it in your letterbox. You can. Amamu me na me say wa
betna. Na Franco wo ti hey opo bibia usro me.
Ya bisi. Eya adwuma ye. We ye adwuma wo. We ye adwuma. That the place be ye adwuma is a different matter. Na pa no me nya adwin.
Okay, me no nya adwin. Yeah.
Tama Vetiano. Oh, Ghana.
Why?
Graham.
Braham. Oh, okay.
Mama Prophet Amoakwata.
Aye, me papa. Pachiano.
Opambour.
Kwame, na say na wa kwese unkran say difu akese so fo usu be mpa be bo ma ba so Prophet Graham, Prophet Amoakwata, Prophet Enti eno jese me fake.
But I say
I'll come back stronger.
Okay.
Kwame unyini ana.
O minyuni say.
Kwame, say ma say asio. After election no say bi me ko twa nyame animo. Kwame nyame akane mo wo de ma me ntra de bia ebesi in the regime of NDC.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Hey, oh dear, me tre Eddie Ama.
Obetra moment. Man the pen paper.
And I me tre prophecy ba ko ebesi 2025 year.
Okay, man the pen paper come on. Prophecy is 2025. And I no pay your sumno year for the year 2024.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share the link to others, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you would be notified anytime we post a new video. We hope you will do that. Thank you.